Once upon a time, a blue tractor was driving home with a trailer full of strawberries. Suddenly, he heard someone crying.
Hey, little one, how did you end up here all alone?
And the kitten remembered how it all began. That morning, he woke up in an old dusty barn. Suddenly, a bright butterfly flew inside. He chased it, laughing and jumping through the tall grass. Without noticing, he was getting farther and farther from the farm. The butterfly flew up into a tree. The kitten stopped. It was evening already, and he was lost. Then the bushes nearby began to shake. The kitten froze. He slowly walked forward. He stopped in a clearing. There was a scary shadow, just a tree branch, but it looked like a monster. The kitten got even more scared and rushed deeper into the forest. And right then, an owl on a branch let out a loud screech. The kitten was terrified and ran faster than ever before. Suddenly, a road. He saw it ahead and quickly hid behind a bush. And just at that moment, the blue tractor appeared. And what happened next? Watch now!
Here we are, home! You look like a tiger cub. I'll call you Tigo. Run home, Tigo. Now this is your home too.
Hi, little one. Are you hungry? I'll get you some milk. You're going to live with us now. Here you go. This is all for you.
Hi, I'm Archie. Your name is Tigo. Wanna be friends? Awesome!
And that's how Tigo and Archie met for the very first time. Archie couldn't wait. He rushed to show Tigo around the whole farm. They explored everything together, all the way until evening. And just before bedtime, that same butterfly returned. Thanks to it, Tigo found his very own new home.